sa akin po kasi, sa personal belief ko naman po, yung order na yon or yung energy na yon, yung one ball of energy after the Big Bang, it's my definition of divine para sa akin, na parang hindi siya anthropomorphic being, hindi siya
It's an energy.
hindi siya father, hindi siya tatay.
Yeah.
It's an energy na lahat tayo part nun.
So
parang kung kayo naman po ang tatanungin ko, ma'am, ano po yung divine para sa inyo?
Ganun din. It's
tayo.
that presence, it's that energy.
Yes.
Now, when you come from the faculty of reason, gusto mong i-define, gusto mong i-translate into doctrines and dogmas.
Opo.
Not that they are correct, but not that they are wrong.
Opo.
But every definition is a limitation.
Gets.
Okay? So, all religions are correct up to a certain point and beautiful up to a certain point. Pero pag na-trap ka dyan, it can become ugly.
Yes.
Then you fight for the idea, it becomes an ideology, you know. So belief comes from the mind, eh. And life is not something that you need to believe in.
Opo.
Because it's there, available to your experience, you know. The belief is not necessary anymore. Do I believe that I'm talking to you? Diba? That doesn't
Hindi na
even
necessary
enter. Diba? Do I believe that I'm having these emotions? Nararamdaman mo na eh.
Opo.
Okay? So, iba yung belief. Pwedeng maniwala ka, pero hindi yung totoo.
Totoo, opo.
Diba? So, pero pagdating sa experience, sa life,
Opo.
you cannot
Para po
question
siyang
anymore.
gnosis, no? Parang yung... Opo.
Yeah, that's why the pantheistic everything is sacred and divine. That's why when I was asked to deliver a lecture sa conference, ang theme nila, yung parang tinatanong, is God alive?
Opo.
Is God dead?
Opo.
Is
Ayun.
God still relevant? So the first two speakers, they went into that, the Muslim perspective, you have the Christian perspective, and I was the third and the last perspective. And I said, simula pa lang sinabi ko, you know, the theme of this conference is to ask the question and to answer the question, is God dead? Is God alive? Is God still relevant? And I said, the question to ask is not, is God dead or alive or relevant? The question to ask is, are we alive?
Are we alive? Yes.
Because if there is God but you're dead,
Wala rin.
wala rin.
Wala rin. Opo.
And that energy, divinity, the sacredness is there. Okay? But are you there? Are you plugged into it?